is 7 News at 11. Good morning, I'm Wayne Herman.
And I'm Lynn Setzer. Thanks for joining us on this Friday morning.
We start with some encouraging news. You may remember the name Hunter Rodriguez. Just last month, Hunter was in critical condition, a victim of shaken baby syndrome. Well, today, Hunter is going home from the hospital. 7 News reporter Lotta Gallegos joins us live now from Children's Hospital with more on the story. Lotta, this is great news, isn't it?
It really is great news. Right now, Hunter's parents are upstairs getting ready for the big homecoming. It's been a difficult 4 weeks here in the hospital. When Hunter was first brought in, he was in a coma for about a week, and he has been progressing since then. Now he's having to relearn all the things he knew as a toddler. Before the incident, Hunter was a vibrant 15-month-old, rolling over, crawling, walking, sitting up, even saying a few words. And today, Hunter struggles to do those things. Doctors and Hunter's parents are also concerned about his eyesight, which he has not regained completely. And with us now is Dr. Ken Winston, who is a neurosurgeon, and you were there a couple of days after Hunter was brought into the hospital. Could you tell us what was his condition when he first arrived?
He was in very critical condition. He was very poorly responsive. We thought he had high pressure in his head. He had some bleeding inside of his head and inside the skull, and bleeding in both of the eyes, both the eyeballs.
As I mentioned earlier, he is having trouble seeing, and this is one of the symptoms of shaken baby syndrome?
Yes, and he's a very severe example of that.
Now, is this something that could possibly be temporary as far as his eyesight being lost?
His eyesight could improve. I don't know how much it will improve, but it is possible to have some improvement. It is now, he has some perception of light now, but he has a very serious visual impairment.
What are doctors saying about his progression and the fact that he's being released today?
Well, he's made really quite remarkable improvement, much more than any of us expected. He's moving and awake and interacting with people, and he's made a remarkable recovery. He's not totally recovered, but he's made a great deal of improvement.
Thank you very much for joining us, Dr. Winston. And now we'll take it back to you, Wayne and Lynn. Hopefully these are, just baby steps. What I was told earlier is that they once had a 15-month-old, but today it's really like they're taking home a 6-month-old infant. So the parents are going to have to relearn a few things as well.
One step at a time.
That's
Laura,
right.
I wanted to ask you before we let you go, Hunter was in the care of 29-year-old Shauna Pint, who was arrested for allegedly shaking Hunter. Where is her case right now, do you know?
Well, the police have turned her case over to the Arapahoe County DA's office, and she will be charged with felony child abuse.
All right, very good. Lotta Gallegos live at Children's Hospital for us. Thanks for the update.